Guys, I feel like a steak. We're gonna make an amazing steak on our Char-Griller 980. Let's frickin' go. Guys, I feel like a steak, and thanks to our friends over at NA11 Rub, we're gonna go ahead and make a fire steak today. Guys, this has 0 calories, so if you're trying to be health conscientious, this is a great way to spice up your food. NA11's name comes from their love of science and the fact that there's 11 spices included inside of here. Those spices include salt, cane sugar, brown sugar, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, pepper, cayenne pepper, other spices and herbs. Let's crack this bad boy open. You can literally see actual herbs and spices inside of this, proving that it's not just some mishmash of random crap. Look at that. It's thick. Let's give it a smell. It smells good. It's got nice aromatics. It smells fresh. I like the color of it. That's gonna lend itself well. In fact, I kind of want to try this on a pork butt too. I might do that video coming up next. Well, let's go ahead and get it on the steak. Let's get our steak on the grill. We're gonna throw it on a Char-Griller Gravity 980 using some grill grates. We're gonna cook it really hot, 500 degrees, and we're gonna make this thing pop. We're gonna go ahead and give this a generous shake down. We don't need a binder or anything like that. The juices from the meat will come out and really lock this rub in there. We're gonna make sure that we get all the sides. We want all the flavor on this thing. We're gonna push that in just a little bit. Now we're gonna let that sit, and as our grill gets up to temperature. Let's get this on our grill grates. These things should be piping hot. Now we're gonna give it about 1 to 2 minutes on that side. Now we're gonna go ahead and flip this all the way over using our grill grate spatula. Nice grill marks, looking good. Perfect. Guys, it's now my favorite time of the video. We're gonna try out this NA11 Rub by eating this beautiful medium steak. That's right, I cook mine medium. Cook yours longer if you want, dude, it doesn't matter. Woo! Guys, this is amazing. Hold on, hold on. It's got a nice bit of salt to it. It has a hint of sweet. It's fantastic, and with the charcoal and wood smoke, you can't beat it. I'm gonna eat this whole steak right now. I was gonna share this with Fred. Guys, it's too good not to eat it all. You can taste the individual spices, but they meld together to create like one unique, like wonderful flavor. Oh guys, he caught me. I guess I'm gonna have to share the steak with him now. Fred, bro, let me take my earbud out. Let me shut off my own personal soundtrack for a minute. Hop over here and taste this steak, dude. Tell me what you think about this. So what we're doing today, before you get into it, we're just testing out the Premium Everything Rub and Seasoning from NA11. And I just want to know, take a bite of the steak without me telling you anything. Tell me what you think of the flavor of this thing. Bite on into it, dude. Just eat it all. This guy right here. Anyway, guys, it's Fred approved. It's me approved. The link is in the description below. Give it a click. Check it out. skullandmortar.com. Hit a subscribe, hit a like, whatever, man. Just be part of the channel. Be part of the community. You know what I'm saying? Got some good videos coming up. I'm going to try this on a pork butt because I think it's going to be wonderful on that. I'm actually going to shut the camera off and start that video now. Later, guys. I'm gonna eat this piece of steak first. You don't get this. This is not for you.